Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English Pre-Intermediate 41. Health.
Now we need to get this track down in less than, just give me 10 minutes. We'll go 10 minutes once around the track and then you come back, okay? 10 minutes, you're paying me, you run. Ready? No, that ain't good.
In this lesson, we're going to learn some useful expressions we use when we are not feeling well, like, I'm feeling lousy, or I'm feeling awful.
Now, we're starting over. One more time. Jesus. Now, are you ready? Let's do this for real here. Okay, ready? And go! Go, 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 go!
And then you're going to learn what to say to someone who isn't feeling well. Here's an example. That's terrible. You must feel awful.
Hi, it's Julia. Listen, I'm afraid I won't be able to make it to work today.
Oh, what's up? Is everything okay?
Actually, I'm feeling pretty lousy, sick to my stomach.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, thanks. I don't know if it's some kind of bug or something I ate, but...
Well, I think you should take it easy for now, till you're sure.
Thanks, I will. Actually, I'm going to the hospital soon, just to be sure. I was up late last night and early this morning sick, so I thought it might be food poisoning.
That's terrible. You must feel awful.
Well, I'll check it out now and call you later today, all right?
Of course. Take your time and get better.
Okay, thanks again.
Julia is sick. She can't go to work. She says, I won't be able to make it to work today. This is the same as, I can't come to work today. We often use this expression, I won't be able to make it. Here's another example. I'm sorry, I won't be able to make it to the party. Why? Here are some ways to talk about how bad you feel. I feel lousy. I feel sick to my stomach. I feel awful.
Looking real good there. Yes, you're looking real good. I must say, you are looking just magnificent.
Oh, boss, I feel awful.
You know, I don't even know how you're going to make it to the Olympics.
I feel lousy.
So how do you reply if someone is sick?
Oh.
Sympathy is when you feel bad for someone else. You can say, I'm sorry to hear that. It means I feel bad for you. Or you can say, you should take it easy. This means you should relax or rest. You can also say, oh, that's terrible, if someone is feeling very bad.
Coach, I don't feel well.
Are you done? And why did you
want to go to the hospital?
And why did you bring us out here on this fine Saturday morning?
Now we're going to look at part of the video.
Were you training for something?
I will show you sentences with missing
Is
words.
there something you were training for?
What is missing? Are you sure? Let's watch.
Hi, it's Julia. Listen, I'm afraid I won't be able to make it to work today.
Julia is sick. She says, I'm afraid I won't be able to make it to work today. Now read this one. What's missing? Let's see.
Actually, I'm feeling pretty lousy, sick to my stomach.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that.
You've got it. Julia said, I'm feeling pretty lousy, sick to my stomach. William said, oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. so she will feel better.
It's the fastest I've seen you all day.
Now see if you can fill in these gaps. Think of another way to say, you should relax. That's right. You should stay at home and take it easy. And what does Julia think might be wrong with her? Can you remember? That's right. I thought it might be food poisoning.
I understand that you're feeling really bad, and that's great. But, you know, I didn't win this medal for nothing. It was a lot of hard work. And hard work means pain. Lots of pain. So get back down on the line. Let's run it again. I mean, come on. That's good. Good form. Great form. Looking great. Ready?
Well done. Today we talked about what to say when we're not feeling well. We learnt expressions like, I'm feeling lousy. I'm feeling awful. We also learnt, I won't be able to make it to work today. And we talked about expressions of sympathy. How to say you are sorry if someone is sick, like, that's terrible. I'm sorry to hear that. And, you should take it easy. Well, I hope you're feeling well.
I can't believe I'm seeing this.
Thanks for joining us. See you soon.
Well, you haven't made it yet. There you go. That's all right. Yeah.
I think I need to go to the hospital.
Yeah, I think so too.